Hello, in this video, we will give you quick tips to have a Medium account with token. First, you need to visit bankaccount.com. You can search for this site. Click on this one. Then you will see the interface of our website. You can click on tutorial here to see instructions on how to create an account at bankaccount.com. Then follow step by steps to top up your account. Back to the home page here, then you scroll down to the end. You will see the 8 USA Medium with token or 8 USA Medium with 1000 followers. Or you can press Ctrl plus F, type Medium. Then search for the available Medium accounts here. Click on 8 USA Medium with token. Then you will see more information of different types of Medium accounts with token here. We specify product type, price for each account, and the number of accounts in stock here. The number 0 in the in stock column means these type of accounts run out of stock. For example, I buy Medium accounts with token each 3 months. Click on this one or click on Order Now. Then you will see the description of this type of account. The account format is email, email access info, username, token. Let me explain a little bit about this email access info. This is an API to access the email for receiving verification codes. If Medium asks for code, you can click on this link and use the email access info to access Hotmail or Outlook to get the verification codes. For this username, you click on this link, then use this provided username to check the profile URL. Remember to check profile URL before logging into account. If the profile doesn't exist or has been banned, please contact us for replacement. If the profile URL exists, you can log in account. Accounts are registered with residential rotating proxies. About the guarantee policy, we guarantee for 24 hours after account delivery for any invalid accounts or accounts that cannot be logged into. No guarantee is provided after accounts are successfully logged into. After reading the description carefully, you enter the number of Medium accounts you want to buy into this session. For example, I buy 5 accounts, enter 5 here. Then click Checkout. A confirmation dialog box will appear. You click on Confirm button here to make payment. The checkout process will be made immediately and automatically. You can click on Terms of Use here to read our Terms of Use. After making payment, the accounts will be delivered to you immediately. You can click on this icon next to your username, then select Order to see the account's information. The accounts will be delivered to you immediately right after you make payment, so you can check here and click on View button to see the account's information. For example, this is the TikTok Ads Manager account that I bought. Now I click on View button here to see the account's information. Back to the description of the account you buy to see the account format. This is the email, you see, then a Karma TikTok Ads password. This is the TikTok Ads password. Then a Karma. Next is the 2FA key here, then a Karma. Next is a sex email info. You can see the information to a sex email and get code. And finally is the ID. Next, To export account, you click on Export here. Then a text file containing account information will be downloaded. You can see a text file here with account information. Then you can use the purchased account. In case you need support or want to ask for guarantee, you click on Contact here. Then you will see our contact information. Alright, we have just given you quick tips to have a medium accounts with token. You can visit our website to see other types of accounts. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.